This is Mexican tacos. One of my favorite here in the Wisconsin. Guys, let's eat. Do you want some water?
Yes, water. That's what it is. Thank you.
And for me. Not cold. Guys, let's eat. This is my favorite here. Mexican food.
Authentic Mexican tacos.
How much is this?
Yes. So it's like $12 each. So it's like $26 after tax. So that's around like a little over an hour of my time.
So guys, ito ang favorite ko. Ito kasi yung spicy niya. Ang sarap ng sauce. What is the green one?
Green one? The green one is mild.
Oh, mild.
No, like it's so hot, use the green one.
So guys, sarap. This is our breakfast and lunch because we didn't eat breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
So we just put some sauce like this. Sarap guys. So kayo, kung pupunta kayo dito sa Wisconsin, bili kayo ng Mexican tacos. Pero dito siya nabibili sa Manitowoc. Meron din siyang rice na kasama. Tapos merong beans. Is it beans?
This is refried beans.
Refried.
And they got cilantro, onions, steak meat, cucumbers. Not sure if this other stuff is. There's some Mexican veggies.
I thought this was before. There's onion.
No, it's not onion. The onion is onion.
Pero ito yung nagpasarap sa kanya yung sauce niya. Yung unang dating ko kasi dito, tinikman ko to. Sobrang parang ang sarap. Sabi ko, ay sarap. Kaya ito na lagi yung pinapabili ko kaya. Yung fiancé ko, galing siya sa work. Pero, umuwi siya dito para mag-lunch. Malapit lang kasi yung work niya dito. How do you rate this food?
This? 4.5 out of 5.
4.5.
Mm-hmm.
What is the 0.5?
The price is a little bit high, so they lose half a point. If it was $10, I think it'd be fair. But for $12, it's a little bit high.
Oh, $12. Yeah.
$12 per plate. So 2 of these is 24. After tax, it's like 26. So you also pay $1 tax on each. But otherwise, if the price was right, it'd be 5 out of 5.
Yeah.
It's okay, you know.
I don't know that Mexican love tacos. I thought tacos only Lebanese or Arabic or some of
Tacos? Tacos is a Mexican thing. I love tacos. I love tacos so much. They have all kinds of tacos. This is just one of them.
Yeah.
I shredded beef, I got ground beef, I got chicken. But I like the steak, so I was my steak. They have American style taco. They have just refried bean tacos. They have chili cheese burrito tacos.
So spicy.
Too spicy? This is kind of okay for me. It's not too spicy.
I think this is why I'm getting fat. Because the food here, it's big serving, you know? Malaki yung serve nila kaysa sa Philippines. Kasi sa Philippines, ano yung serve nila dun, diet size eh.
But the serving is big.
Yeah.
But, you know, a lot of people, they pay that kind of money, they want more food.
Ito guys, beef to. Is it beef, right?
Steak. But yes, it's beef. Steak just means that it's a special cut from that body.
Anong busog na ako? I feel full already.
Not too full, save it for later.
Did you do in your job?
Am I done?
Tomorrow we're gonna go?
Mm-hmm.
2 days?
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow may delivery ulit kami. So, sasama ulit ako. 2 days. Gusto ko yung lagi ako sumasama kasi nakakalabas ako. Nakikita ko yung mga mga daanan, yung road. Mamangha ako. Kumbaga, nalalaman ko yung mga daanan, gano'n. Diba? Kaya lagi ka naka-standby sa bahay. Wala kang mababaliw. So tomorrow we're early.
Mm-hmm.
I like it when every time you bring me with you.
Why? Because you're so bored in the house?
Of course. I want to explore myself, you know. I want to see sceneries. I want to see beautiful places.
Okay.
Mag-stay na naman kami sa hotel bukas. What hotel we're gonna stay?
I don't know yet. We'll see.
So it's van or
It's a truck.
parang hindi ko na nasasyan yung kanin saka ng beans. Beans to na ginilan.
Beans are actually really good for you. It's good for your brain and your memory.
Parang sinasabi niya, kailangan ko ng beans kasi medyo mahina yung utak ko. Di ba? Kailangan ko daw. You feel so fat. I don't wanna eat anymore.
So potato.
Guys, thank you for watching me. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Para updated ka lagi sa mga buhay ko, di ba? Thank you guys, and take care.